Hello and welcome, I'm Zoe and here I'm going to show you how to make strawberry socks on the Sentro 22-pin machine. The first thing you need to do is cast on. Now skip every other peg as I'm showing you here, and then once you get to the end of your row you'll pop the wool in the tensioner of your machine, and then you're going to have to knit several rows of waste yarn in order to have a tidy cast on. Then change to the green yarn, popping your waste yarn to the side, leaving a longish tail. Here I'm going to do 12 rows of my top yarn, and that is so I can get the little folded over cuff, which is why I need the waste yarn. I'll get a little cuff that's just folded over, it gives a nice edge and it won't roll down. That is 12 rows. So what I am going to do now is basically, you see where each of these little knobbles is, those will be put on the stitches as I'm working. So what I now do is I'm going to take my working yarn out of the way, but I'm not going to cut it. I'm just moving it out the way. This can be fiddly, but you will get the hang of it. You just might have to try a couple times. And I have my crochet hook. Now the first one is this little bobble here, which can be the hardest one to find, so you can go on the working yarn, and that one will go in the place of the working yarn, which is this. So you still need to make sure that you knit that last stitch so you don't drop any. Basically I just gently turn everything and pick up the stitches there, making sure that they're treated like the working yarn and that I don't miss any. I'll put this back. I will continue to do another 8 rows, which will get us to 20 rows total. Then change to the red colour and knit 60 more rows. To cast off, do 1 row all the way around without your working yarn. This will leave you with only the live stitches. Then remove the working yarn from your machine by picking up all 22 stitches off of the machine stitch by stitch and onto 4 double pointed needles. Here I used 6mm needles because that corresponds with the weight of my yarn. So to decrease, I'm just going to knit 2 together, knit 2 plain, and continue that all the way around. To finish your sock, once you've decreased all the way down to 9 remaining stitches, you want to cut a decent tail of your wool, about 10 to 15 centimeters. Then pull this tail through the 9 remaining stitches and cinch it together before weaving in the ends to make sure that your toe is nice and securely fastened and it won't unravel. Then you can carefully remove the waste yarn that you used to cast on. I like to do this with a crochet hook because I find it easier to get in there. Then you can just slip it through, and the final step is to weave in all of your ends and then make the second sock exactly the same way. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I originally published this as a short and I was asked to make a longer form video with a bit more instructions, so I hope this helped. If you enjoyed this, I have a few more Sentro video tutorials on my channel. Feel free to like and subscribe, it really helps my channel out, and I hope that you don't mind that it took me this long to actually get the full tutorial out. Thank you again, and I will see you all in another video. Ta-ra!